Welcome to my channel. Today you and I are discover about the kiwi bird. Yeah, let's go. One characteristic of kiwi birds. One. What is kiwi? The bird kiwi is. Kiwi birds are very rare and cannot fly. This bird is shaped like a mole. The reason is called kiwi birds because they cry. This is an intense bird and appeared in the world more than 30 million years ago. Kiwi birds often live in New Zealand, belonging to the tearing bird and needed to be preserved. 2. Characteristics of kiwi bird. Kiwi bird appearance. The kiwi birds have weight and length depending on the bird. This bird is small in size, short leg, and fat body. All these birds, kiwi birds weigh about 1 to 2 kilograms and 25 centimeters long. Kiwi birds have small and round head sign. Small kiwi bird eyes, so this bird has a limited vision. Kiwi birds doesn't have any tail and wings like other birds. And which country kiwi lives in? What is the symbol of? Where's the kiwi bird? This bird is only live in New Zealand, so you not be able to find kiwi birds in other countries. Here, due to the living environment and climate in New Zealand, suitable for the development of this bird. And that's all about kiwi bird. Thanks everyone for watching. Present on. Bye bye.